Will Cronos ever hit $1? There have been many price predictions out there, and many of them are saying that the coin can 10 to 50x by the end of 2025. With the price currently sitting at 6 cents. In this video, we'll take a look at what the coin is, and the best price prediction by the end of the year. Now, let's get right to the video. Many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. But the coin's price will also be impacted by the crypto market's performance, and the adoption rate of and efficiency of the coin. For many people to take any coin into consideration, first we have to look at what the foundational principle is for the coin, and some of the catalysts and things that have to go right for the coin to reach those 10 to 50x numbers and how realistic those price targets can be. And we'll also take a look at a very realistic price prediction for 2025. An overwhelming number of analysts believe that the coin could go well beyond its previous all-time high considering mass adoption, an increase in retail investors, and a combination of whale accumulation. The coin has not gained much popularity, yet despite its huge potential, it's regarded as one of the best cryptocurrencies to hold. First, in the coming years, the performance of the crypto market will have an impact on the coin's price, considering the path of Bitcoin's price and the adoption rate following the implementation of network improvements. You also have to consider that we are now in a new era of cryptocurrency investments. Aside from the regular 3-year bear market to a 1-year bull market, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. So, what is Cronos? Cronos is the native cryptocurrency token of Cronos Chain, a decentralized, open-source blockchain developed by the crypto.com payment, trading and financial services company. Cronos Chain is one of the products in crypto.com's lineup of solutions designed to accelerate the global adoption of cryptocurrencies as a means of increasing personal control over money, safeguarding user data and protecting users' identities. The CRO blockchain serves primarily as a vehicle that powers the crypto.com Pay mobile payments app. In the future, crypto.com plans to expand the reach of the CRO platform to power its other products as well. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. CRO blockchain is mainly focused on providing utility to the users of crypto.com's payment, trading and financial services solutions. CRO owners can stake their coins on the crypto.com chain to act as a validator and earn fees for processing transactions on the network. Additionally, CRO coins can be used to settle transaction fees on the Cronos chain. Within the framework of the crypto.com Pay payments app, users can get cashback of up to 20% by paying merchants in CRO and up to 10% by purchasing gift cards and making peer-to-peer transfers to other users. When it comes to trading use cases, the crypto.com app allows users to earn token rewards for select listings by staking CRO. Additionally, users can earn annual interest of up to 10 to 12% on their crypto.com coins by staking them on either the crypto.com exchange app or crypto.com's metal Visa card. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see a new all-time high of 50 cents by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community.